Hey, what is up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to clean the engine bay, and you can see how dirty and greasy mine is. And same thing for the hood. Like, it's pretty dirty. And the fact that it's a BMW, every time I open the hood, people tell me, oh, it's a BMW and you can keep it clean and here and that and stuff like that. So that's why today I'm going to make this shine again.
And just to give you guys an idea what to expect from this, we'll be changing the look of this hood from this dirty one to this shiny, good looking one, which is fun to watch. And look at this engine, how dirty it is, man. It restores a lot of heat, doesn't help the engine cool down, and we'll change that to this one that looks brand new.
And to do that, we're gonna need a few tools. Now, before I go ahead, I wanted to use the gunk engine degreaser, but once I did some research and read some reviews, people are not really happy with this product. I don't have a hose here to rinse it, so I decided to go the other way. So I'm going to use some detergent, soapy water. There is the Back to Black Mothers product to restore the plastic and rubber pieces under the hood. There is some wax for the fenders and everything else that has paint and that we want to shine. And I got some brushes here, like different sizes for the tight areas. Another brush here which is kind of rough. I'm probably going to use this for the engine cover. A lot of towels, like the heavy duty one, and a microfiber towel that we're going to use at the end to wipe it after we use the trim restorer. And then of course we're going to use the wrench here to disconnect the battery, and I think it is a T25 torque screw or T30 torque screw for the this piece here, where I'm actually gonna go ahead and remove this, where the filter, the cabin air filter stays. There it is. I'm gonna remove that right now. Okay, it's pretty clean. I just changed that like 2-3 weeks ago, and those are, I think, T35 torque screws, which we're gonna remove. Then I'll take this piece off there, so make things easier. I'm gonna remove the engine cover plastic piece here. I'm gonna remove the filter, the air filter, the whole unit. I'm gonna remove this piece here and like create some more room to make it easier to work on it and get a better result, get to tight spots. First things first, we're going to disconnect the negative cable from the battery, just to make sure that no problems, no electrical issues we have afterwards.
I'll try to remove as many pieces as I can because my engine bay is very dirty, and I have undercoated, by the way, the metal pieces on my engine bay since we live in Canada and we get a lot of snow and salt on the road here. So let's move some pieces, create some more room, make a better job, like clean some more area, because if I just clean it over it, it is gonna come out sooner or later, even though I'm gonna remove the pieces, but still makes the job easier, and I clean some more. I tried to spray it with soapy water and wipe it, but the grease is very heavy, it's very thick, it's stuck on the hood, and that's why I decided to go with the degreaser, even though I didn't want to use it. But once I sprayed it almost everywhere on the hood, I let it sit there for 5 minutes, so it helped, it dissolved the grease, and then I went and wiped it out so you guys can see that it actually helped a lot. And after that I still cleaned it with soapy water, and then I wiped it with a paper towel. Once I finished the hood and made it ready for detailing, I started cleaning the engine bay. So I started to the left side, and then went to the front, and then to the right, and after that I cleaned the actual engine. The engine bay is cleaned, but let's not forget the pieces that we took off. Once we clean the pieces, then we'll put everything back together, and then we'll start the detailing. And after we have cleaned everything that we want and that we could clean, it's time that we put all the pieces back together and get ready for the final step. before I install the filter housing, I'm going to detail the engine covers, because once you put the filter housing, it is hard to reach back there, like in some spots where the engine cover is, so it's easier this way. Detailing time. Let's spray some wax everywhere we have metal that we just cleaned. After waxing, we'll pour some trim restorer compound in the surface area so we can get it with the brush, and then we want to cover every plastic piece that we can, almost everything, and we'll let it that way for about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, so the compound gets into the plastic pores and make it shine and prevents and protects the plastic. And after 10 minutes we'll start wiping it with a microfiber towel and we'll see the result. This is looking already good, man. And the final step is to wipe everything down with the microfiber towel, every area that we spread the compound with the brush, and it's time to check the result. Oh man, this is looking awesome. And that is the final product. Oh man, look at that. It shines everywhere.
Oh man. How that was before, look at that now. This is the product, the final product. And now I can tell my friends how my BMW looks like. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing for more videos to come. Have a nice evening.